Well, the numbers on that first set between Philippine Army and Maynilad, look at the attack points. So much more. 5 more for the Philippine Army. Maynilad producing 10, 15 for Philippine Army. But in the blocking department, surprisingly, it was Maynilad who had 4. And Army just 1. And this is serve. Army had 1 more. At yung errors naman just equalizing each other.
That's right. Those numbers brought to you by Maynilad, the official drinking water provider of the Shakey's V-League. And we just showed you, of course, Mr. Ricky Palou and the rest of the Sports Vision Group, Eleanor and Mr. Moing Martalino also watching the game.
Cesar Malapitan.
Cesar Malapitan.
Ano natin dito, kasama natin, of course, from Sports Vision, bringing you Shakey's V-League.
And
speaking of Cesar,
who I'm sure is very happy.
The bitter half.
Happy birthday to Mila Martin Malapitan.
Happy birthday, Ate Mil.
And happy birthday, Ma'am Mila, and always, every day,
mabait tayo dyan.
Mabait. Tuwing pumupunta kami dito, tuwan-tuwa kami pag nakikita namin kayo. Napakasaya namin pag nakikita namin nandiyan kayo sa opisina. And Rachel Ann gets the first point for the Army here in set number 2. Now she's starting off because she just got off the bench or came from the bench. Off the bench in the first set, yeah.
Well, so far, Michelle Carolino with 5, Mayet Carolino and Mergy Balsa with 4 apiece. On the other side, Guliman with 5 points, Cassis with 4, and Maggie with 2. On the reception, Army having 4 excellent receptions, and Maynilad, of course, with 6 excellent receptions.
2-all here in set number 2. Shakey's, if it's one family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
It's all on the line for Maynilad.
Oh, nice attack from Mayet. Mayet will set up Rachel. The block is there. She gets it back.
Once again, but the block again was there. Arsates and Guliman just stayed on. See that once again, you can see it was an offensive blocking because they really wanted to swipe it off to the other side.
Nice,
of course, much to the delight, of course, of their boss, Mr. Ricky Vargas of Maynilad. They want to say hi.
Yes, Sir Ricky.
Oh, Mr.
And
Ricky
congratulations. You're doing a good job with your team.
Overall champion yun ng MVP Cup.
Ba't hindi ka naglaro doon?
Oo nga, no? Sayang. Malaki magpa-bonus doon. Oo nga, no?
So, next time, instead of hearing Mozzie's voice, we're gonna see her in action.
And then, hindi televised yun, so pwede ako doon.
Hindi, dito ka nga isasali. Guest player.
Joy Cass is now on the line.
Floater to Dalia Cruz.
Oh, nice back net.
Net violation.
But net violation. Actually, it was a bit close to the net for Ging Balse. Iba-iba yan eh. Diba yung meron gusto malapit. But si Ging, ito kahit ano yung pato mo yata dito. Pwedeng paluin. Joy Casas once more.
Diyan pupunta sa'yo yung bola, madami.
Joy Casas serving.
Another back set and another net violation. This time, it's Mayet Carolino.
There must be something in that net. They keep on poking it. Maynilad with a 3-point lead. The Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills. The Mikasa MVA 300.
Well, that's going to be wide. Too much angle on that serve by Casas.
Asking for too much in that serve.
Risking it, diba?
Mayet. Nice serve.
Oh, nice serve.
Oh, nice fake.
Ayan, malayo na. This time, Jake Balse liking that one and taking that point.
Making the adjustment.
Yep.
And Tina Salak, you know, when she's your setter, she just makes you feel that she's in control. No?
Diba? You make certain calmness, diba,
Ah.
inside the court. She doesn't speak much,
Uh-huh.
diba, when you see her. Pero her game speaks for herself.
Ayun,
For
exacto.
itself, diba? So, very calm and collected.
Mhm. Carolino, still at the serve.
Oh,
That's inside.
Just letting that go.
Yun yung sinasabing when in
Indecisiveness.
doubt,
No.
get. Kasi kukunin niya na eh. Biglang binitawan and
Nilet
now,
go.
lumamang na. Itong Philippine Army, 7-6. Nice
The
floater.
reason for that, 3 attack points now for Balse in this set. But Mila taking that one. Taking the point as Capranca now goes in. Replacing Joy Cases.
For
Franca,
defense.
another FEU player.
Franca brought in to defend and of course give Cases some much needed rest. Good defense by Franca. Ito, pagpasok pa lang, dig agad.
Dogging
Another
Balse
one.
with the push.
Ancheta pushes, dumping it.
Oh! And Bunag challenging Guliman and Ancheta and successful in taking that point.